Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the home of powerhouse innovation, where performance meets portability in the most unexpected ways. Today, we're diving into something that's redefining what we think a compact gaming system can be. This isn't just a gadget, it's a testament to how far technology has come in shrinking raw power into a chassis that fits practically anywhere. I'm talking about the all-new ROG NUC 2025, a next-gen compact PC that doesn't compromise, whether you're into gaming, creative workloads, or just want a sleek, future-proof system for your setup. This little beast might just change the game for you. When you think of high-performance machines, the term NUC, or next unit of computing, might not come to mind. It's often linked to mini PCs meant for basic office use. But Asus, Republic of Gamers division, has flipped that entirely. It's compact, yes, but also packed with premium hardware that's not just future-ready. It's futuristic in design and capability. Let's start with the body, because the design language here speaks volumes before you even power it up. The ROG NUC 2025 sports a minimal yet aggressive aesthetic, combining matte black aluminum with strategic RGB zones that give it a distinctly gamer identity. It's sleek enough to blend into a professional desk setup, yet bold enough to stand proudly in a full RGB-lit gaming room. The chassis features angular cuts and well-placed ventilation lines, ensuring airflow is never an issue. Despite its compact form, at 2.5 liters in volume, this is one of the smallest gaming-ready PCs on the market, yet it feels dense and premium-like. Every inch is optimized. Most of it is toolless, making upgrades surprisingly easy, whether it's memory, SSDs, or GPU module swaps in future versions. You'll have no trouble. Dimensions come in at roughly 270 mm in depth, 180 mm in width, and around 60 mm in height. It's barely the size of a large book. You can lay it flat, mount it vertically, or tuck it behind a monitor. It weighs just under 2.5 kilograms on ultralight, but is easily portable in a backpack if needed. Connectivity is another strong point. On the front, you get to USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, a headphone mic combo jack, and a power button with customizable RGB. Around the back, you'll find two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, two HDMI 2.1, two DisplayPort 1.4a, a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, and additional USB-C, Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETOOTH 5.4 make it future-ready for wireless as well. This little box can support up to 4 displays simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Now, performance. Inside, it's equipped with up to Intel Core Ultra 9 processors from the Meteor Lake family. These use a tiled architecture, separating compute, graphics, and AI tasks for better power management and thermal performance. That translates to powerful multitasking, streaming, gaming, and creative capabilities. GPU options go up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070 laptop GPU, offering ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and incredible rendering. In testing, it delivered over 100 FPS at 1440p in most AAA games and destroyed 108p titles with max settings. Even resource-heavy games, like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, ran beautifully. Thermals are handled by a dual-chamber vapor chamber cooling system with liquid metal on both CPU and GPU. Large fans and heat pipes keep tank stable -80 degrees Celsius for CPU, 75 degrees Celsius for GPU, even during long gaming sessions. Memory and storage are equally few. You get dual-channel DDR5 support, up to 64 GB at 5600 MHz, and 2 Gen 4 M2 slots for blazing fast NVMe SSDs. Ideal for heavy creative work or a massive game library. Power efficiency is another win. Thanks to Intel's smart scaling and new architecture, idle power draw is impressively low. Under load, the 230W power adapter keeps things smooth without fluctuation in real-world use. This system excels. Gamers will love the high FPS, smooth ray tracing, and DLSS support. Competitive players, RPG fans, and casual streamers alike will find it meets or exceeds expectations. Streaming is seamless with NVENC and a V1 encoding, so your gameplay stays crisp without performance dips. Creators benefit too. 4K video editing, Blender renders, After Effects projects, everything runs fluidly. It's a quiet performer, too. Fans ramp up under load but remain far from noisy. AI performance gets a boost thanks to the NPU in Intel's chip, Tasks like live transcription, background noise removal, and AI image editing happen faster without hitting the CPU or GPU. This system is ready for AI workloads, which are becoming more common in everyday apps. Customization options are robust, with Armory Crate, tweak performance, set RGB profiles, monitor system stats, and even try some light overclocking. The control is in your hands. The ROG NUC 2025 is incredibly versatile, perfect for gamers, but also ideal for developers, students, and remote professionals. Whether it's coding, virtual machines, or content creation, it handles it all gracefully. Security-wise, it includes TPM 2.0 support and works with Windows Hello via connected web. That's a nice touch for work-from-home setups where privacy matters. Now, a few small drawbacks. It's pricey. No doubt performance in a compact form comes at a cost. It's not as upgradable as a full-size desktop either. And while thermals are excellent, the top still gets warm during heavy use. So ventilation space is important, but these are minor points in the bigger picture. The ROG NUC 2025 is a marvel of engineering, premium design, outstanding performance, efficient cooling, and unmatched portability. Asus thought of nearly every user type from hardcore gamers to productivity power users, and nailed it. So who is this for? If you want top-tier performance in a sleek, space-saving form, this is for you. If you're building a minimalist desk setup or need a machine that handles work and play, it's a perfect fit. And that wraps our deep dive into the ROG NUC 2025. If you're excited about compact powerhouses that defy expectations, this could be your next tech upgrade. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you ditch the bulky tower for this stealthy beast? If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest in cutting-edge tech. This is Tech Vibe, where performance meets passion, and innovation never sleeps. Until next time, stay powerful, stay curious, and keep vibing with us.